We live in a time when many of the things we once took for granted now seem like distant memories. Life has changed in so many unexpected ways. While our approach to life may be different now, we persevere. We continue to move ahead, connecting with one another, caring for one another, learning from one another. Humanity hasn't changed because our desire to live better lives is stronger than the forces around us. Technology will never stop innovating to bring you more convenience, more entertainment, and more ways to keep you safe so that you can live your life to the fullest, whatever changes may come. Life is on because life is good.